I have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. You can switch it. Okay, so that's how this battery saving mode looks like. You can quit it like this. But is there any like normal battery saver? Okay, so that's how battery saver mode looks like on this device. And yeah, by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn on automatically based on your percentage. For example, when your phone is like 15% charged, it will turn on automatically. And you can also set it to turn off when your device is up to 19% charged. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.